2018 Nissan Kicks. The Nissan Kicks is a crossover vehicle that will demand attention with its styling and impressive performance. Plenty of interior room allows for a comfortable ride while including all the latest technology features. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, air conditioning front, power windows, compass, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, panic alarm, tachometer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, front bucket seats, cloth seat trim, rear window wiper. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.